Public speaking can be a daunting task for many, but with the right strategies, anyone can boost their confidence and become a compelling speaker. Whether you're addressing a large audience or presenting in a small group, mastering the art of public speaking can open doors to opportunities and enhance your communication skills. In this guide, we'll explore practical tips to help you overcome anxiety and build the confidence needed to excel in public speaking. 1. Know your material. Confidence is built on a foundation of knowledge. Thoroughly research and understand your topic before stepping onto the stage. Knowing your material inside out not only enhances your credibility, but also provides a safety net, reducing anxiety. Practice your speech multiple times to become familiar with the content, ensuring a smooth and confident delivery. 2. Practice regularly. Rehearsing is crucial for building confidence. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or present to a trusted friend or family member. This not only helps refine your delivery, but also familiarizes you with your body language and tone. Repeated practice creates muscle memory, making it easier to recall your speech and maintain composure during the actual presentation. 3. Develop strong body language. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in public speaking. Maintain eye contact with your audience to establish a connection. Stand tall with an open posture to convey confidence. Avoid fidgeting or distracting gestures, as they can undermine your credibility. Practice purposeful movements that complement your speech, reinforcing your message and projecting confidence. 4. Utilize visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool to overcome anxiety and boost confidence. Picture yourself delivering a successful speech. Imagine the positive reactions from the audience and focus on the feeling of accomplishment. Visualizing success helps rewire your mindset, transforming nervous energy into a confident and composed presence. 5. Start small. If you're new to public speaking or looking to enhance your confidence, start with smaller audiences. Presenting to a group of friends, colleagues, or in a supportive environment allows you to gradually build your comfort level. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you'll become more at ease with larger audiences and more challenging speaking engagements. 6. Embrace nervous energy. Feeling nervous is natural, even for seasoned speakers. Instead of trying to eliminate nervous energy, channel it into enthusiasm and passion for your topic. Acknowledge the butterflies in your stomach and use the adrenaline to energize your delivery. Embracing your nervousness as a source of excitement can transform anxiety into a dynamic and engaging presentation. 7. Focus on your message. Shift your focus from self-conscious thoughts to the message you want to convey. Concentrate on the value and importance of your content, reminding yourself that the audience is interested in what you have to say. By directing your attention to the significance of your message, you'll naturally exude confidence and captivate your audience. 8. Seek feedback. Constructive feedback is a valuable tool for improvement. Encourage honest evaluations from peers, mentors, or audience members after your presentations. Use this feedback to identify areas of strength and areas for improvement. Constructive criticism helps refine your skills and builds confidence through continuous learning and adaptation. Conclusion. Mastering public speaking is a journey that involves practice, self-awareness, and continuous improvement. By knowing your material, practicing regularly, developing strong body language, utilizing visualization techniques, starting small, embracing nervous energy, focusing on your message, and seeking feedback, you can significantly boost your public speaking confidence. Remember, confidence is not about eliminating fear, but about managing it effectively to deliver impactful and memorable speeches. With dedication and the right mindset, you can transform yourself into a confident and compelling public speaker, unlocking new opportunities for personal and professional growth. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.